Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.1.5 and we are going to use lsblk. So you are considering adding an additional hard disk to your system. Before doing so, you need to find out what block devices are connected to your Linux system. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to use the appropriate tool to list the block devices on your system, and then we're also going to answer the question. All right, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve each of the test out lab. And you can do so by clicking on the join button on this video. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Alright, it has loaded, so we'll go ahead and open terminal. While in terminal, we're going to type in lsblk and press enter. And how many physical storage is going to be 2. Which position is mounted as home, and this is going to be SDA3. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.